northwest corner of Minnesota, we have a selection from the train archives of Gary Anderson.
Mickey Mouse set, Durham, number 8835, Western style with headlight and chug sound, battery operated, sold at LaBelle's for $9.95. Here is the consist, and it has paper labels, and these are only on one side. Oh no, batteries, instruction sheet, rail power. This is the second set. Same thing, but the tender has labels on both sides, and the other cars only have them on one side. That's the blue box. This is the red box, and everything is the same on the inside, and the tender has labels on both sides. I think the one is missing on the engine. These only have them on one side. In the second red set, only has labels on one side, even the tender. So there's 4 Mickey Mouse variations. For America's Bicentennial, Durham come out with a battery train set, a Freedom Flyer, a headlight chug sound. And this is number 8820, and this is the insides, black tender, blue gondola, and a red SantaFe caboose. There's the instruction sheet. And the second set, the same number, of course, but this one has a blue tender, a red gondola, and a 1776 caboose. And the third one is a wind-up set now, chug sound, and it has a new clock spring motor, which I think it's a gear riser. Blue tender, red B&M is served as 1776, and that is number 8805. The last one is an independent special, battery operated, chug sound, and they all have black track, and this one has 1776 caboose. They all have the foam bottoms. This is going to show the Durham Santa Fe trains. We saw two before, but they were diesels. This one is a freight locomotive. This one is battery powered, battery operated, and the consists are going to be a little bit different in them. The second one is a wind-up chug sound, and it has a number on the engine of 8809. The third one is battery operated again, but this one has a number on it, 8801, and cars are similar if not the same. And then the last one is a wind-up, no batteries needed, chug sound, and that one does not have a number. These are all slight variations between the 4 sets. The day everyone's been waiting for, the last of the Durham sets. This is an early one, brown track, a battery operated engine, 8801. And as you can tell, it's early because of the dummy knuckle coupler, and I'm missing the cover for it. The second one is the 8830. This is the Trailblazer, which we saw at the very beginning. Battery train set, chug chug sound, in one of the vacuform boxes. No decals. This has nice different colors on it. And the last one is a weird one. This is a little, I believe it's HO. It's a 1215 RWB. And there's one of the liners for the box. Here's what the train set looks like. 1776. And it's got the instruction sheets. So that's the end of the Durham.